Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is Kellen, National Sales Director here at Dreamedia Home Theater. We've already unboxed the JVC RS2100. Now we're going to do some quick demo content, viewing some HDR, SDR, as well as some gaming on it as well. So stay tuned. We're going to get into it after the intro. Alright guys, for today's demo, we're going to be doing some HDR and SDR content. This is the RS2100. This is the new JVC Laser 8K E-Shift projector. At the time of filming the video, it is $10,999, and we're shooting it onto a 150-inch 16:9 Studio Tech 130 G4. It's a non-micro perf screen. We chose to do Stewart because they are truly one of the best, if not the best, screen that you can get. So that is the demo gear that we are using, and we're going to be also using a Sony mirrorless camera to shoot it all. It's the A7R4, and here we go. For HDR content, we're going to start off with Welcome to Earth with Will Smith, the new show on Disney Plus with National Geographic. It has very, very good HDR, high resolution. The cameras they use are very sharp. It was digitally shot. So colors look fantastic. Everything looks very, very good. So that's what we are using for our HDR content, and we'll start that now. Another great source of HDR content. This is Shang-Chi on Disney Plus. This is the battle scene towards the end of the movie. Has some great high resolution image with HDR. Alright guys, now we're going to check out some SDR content. This is YouTube TV, and this is Star Wars. So we'll just check that out for a second. Some good black levels as well. Here's some more SDR. This is the Sports Center broadcast on YouTube TV. Alright guys, things look pretty incredible on the JVC laser projector, the RS2100. We do have these in stock. If you're interested, feel free to reach out at dreamemediaav.com and let us know in the comments down below your thoughts as well. Our subscribers know that we stay up to date on all of the latest and greatest home theater content, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.